Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And that actually also leads into the first update that needs to be done. And that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's actually played out perfectly here. You can see the price did break below it, in the afternoon session. And then during that time, you can see right there, the price tried on actually several instances to try to get back up above that area and just couldn't quite do it. So $1.20 is, again, confirmed as kind of that near-term level of resistance. Again, I'm not saying the price can't get above it or anything. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle to get back above $1.20 this afternoon. In the event the price can push through $1.20, then the next overarching level of resistance would be that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average, which you can see right there is actually already also acted as an area of resistance. So point being, going into Thursday and Friday, $1.20 initial level of resistance, and then after that, keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned, in the very near term support-wise, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped today right down there at $1.04. In fact, two situations, including the final 30 minutes, the price, was able to hold above $1.04. So that'll be that near-term area of support. As far as if that support does not hold, the next level to watch is the pink line down there, which on my chart is denoting the very famous 200-period simple moving average. So even if you have a very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm assuming you've heard of the 200-period, and that is a very important level as far as the technical chart is concerned. Again, I'm not saying $1.04 is not going to hold up, but in the event it does break, then that would definitely be the next overarching level to watch from the support standpoint. So we'll see what happens with it, but still a lot of volume and eyeballs on it. Should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.